So what is a lay bet in craps? The lay bets are located on the top section of the table, above the numbers 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. It allows you to bet against a specific number, wagering that a 7 will be rolled before that number. It is a dark side bet that is often referred to as a no bet on one or more numbers. Lay bets are non-contract bets that are completely player-controlled. They can be made, bet sizes adjusted up or down, called on or off, or taken down before any roll, just by telling the dealer what you want to do with them. It's essential to understand the house edge and commission involved in lay bets. When you make a lay bet, you're betting with the house. Lay bet odds are paid at true odds. This is why the casinos charge a 5% commission, also known as VIG, on your potential winnings. This commission gives the casino a slight advantage. Most casinos make you pay the VIG upfront when you make a lay bet, but a few will only collect the 5% VIG when the lay bets win. This is much better for you, because it won't be collected on lay bet losses. Also, the majority of casinos require you to bet enough to win $20 as a minimum bet, simply because they don't want everyone making lay bets all the time. Now, let's talk about the odds and payouts. Each number has different odds and payout ratios. For the numbers 4 and 10, there are 3 ways to roll each number, while there are 6 ways to roll a 7. If you place a lay bet on the 4 or 10, the payout is 1 to 2 odds. After deducting the 5% commission, you'll receive $19 for every $40 bet when you win. For the numbers 5 and 9, there are 4 ways to roll each number, and 6 ways to roll a 7. If you place a lay bet on the 5 or 9, the payout is 2 to 3 odds. After deducting the commission, you'll receive $29 for every $45 bet when you win. For the numbers 6 and 8, there are 5 ways to roll each number, and 6 ways to roll a 7. If you place a lay bet on the 6 or 8, the payout is 5 to 6 odds. After deducting the commission, you'll receive $33 for every $42 bet when you win. Here are the lay bet odds, grouped by their edge and payout odds. Let's explore some lay bet strategies to maximize your chances of winning. One strategy is to lay the backline before the shooters come out roll. This involves laying against all the box numbers 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. All 6 lay bets are won simultaneously if the shooter rolls a come-out 7. That bet is so powerful because the shooter is usually trying to roll a 7 on his come-out rolls to win his pass line bet as a game within a game before the main betting action takes place. If that shooter does roll a come-out 7, all 6 of those lay bets are won simultaneously. And if a point is established instead, the lay better only loses one of those 6 lay bets, the lay bet on the one number that rolled. Another strategy is overhedging to turn the 7 into a profit center. By placing larger lay bets and properly managing your other bets, you can potentially win more than the total amount of your right side bets when the 7 rolls. While lay bets offer advantages, there are a few things to keep in mind. Lay bets work best on cold tables with short rolls, as long rolls increase the chances of losing your lay bet. It's also crucial to set limits and avoid hot tables where lay bets can be quickly wiped out. Here are the advantages of lay bets in craps. Flexibility. Lay bets allow you to choose the number to bet against and decide when to replace losing ones. Hedge protection. Laying the hardest to roll numbers provides the highest likelihood of winning, but requires larger bets to fully hedge your place and buy bets. Opting for the 5 or 9 allows for slightly lower lay bets with the same hedging protection. Laying the 6 or 8 offers even lower lay bets for hedging, but increases the risk, as these numbers are more frequently rolled. Partial hedge. You can choose to partially hedge by protecting only a portion of your place and buy bets. Personal choice. Deciding which numbers 4, 10, 5, 9, or 6, 8 to lay bet on as a personal choice and involves finding the right balance between hedging and odds. Here are Bill's top recommendations. Every bet should stand on its own without hedging. However, I acknowledge that lay bets can broaden your game, provided you assess the table conditions and use them wisely. In conclusion, the lay bet in craps is a versatile strategy that can offer protection and enhance your gameplay. By understanding the basics, odds, and strategies, you can make informed decisions at the craps table. Remember to practice responsible gambling and enjoy your time exploring the lay bet in craps.